What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another update. iOS 26 beta 2 is over here. As you can see, the update size is about 1.76 gigs on my iPhone 11. That is quite decent. On my iPhone 11, sorry, this is my iPhone 16. This is my iPhone 11. On iPhone 11, it is 1.14 gig. That is a different for different iPhone, and it is quite obvious it will be different for different iPhone. Now, first thing first, if you are on beta 1, you can install this update. Simply what you need to do is simply get into the settings, software update, general software update, and over here you will see the update. Make sure you are on iOS 26 developer beta profile. And if you're running beta 1, this update is completely recommended for you. You can install this update. But if you are on iOS 18 and planning to shift to iOS 26, I will suggest you to wait for another month. I mean, like couple of weeks maybe, because in July we are going to get public beta. Public beta are much better than the developer beta, so I will not recommend you developer beta. I will recommend you to install the public beta. So for now, I haven't installed the update yet. I'm definitely going to install this update right away on this video. Let me put my passcode over here. So I'm going to install this update, and once the update will install, I will definitely going to compare the beta 1 with the beta 2, and I'm going to share what are the new things. So make sure to subscribe the channel for that video. In this video, I just wanted to share that iOS 26 beta 2 is out. And if you are on even iOS 18 and you really want to try out the iOS 26, what you need to do is you need to become a developer tester. You need to sign up for the developer profile, and for that you need to install the app that is known as, let me show you the app name over here. What you need to do is you need to install the Apple developer app. This is how the icon looks like. And when you install this app, you need to sign in using your same Apple ID that is on your device. And once you do it, you will become Apple developer and you will be able to install the iOS 26 beta 2. I did a full-fledged video about how you can install the developer profile for free. You can get to my channel and watch that video too. But so far, iOS 26 beta 2 is over here. I am going to install it for sure. I'm going to share another video that what is new with this. I'm going to come back with another video. But in this video, I would say I am expecting few things. I really want Apple to, fix few things. Like, for example, if I go to the edit one, to the customize one, I want them to fix this uneven curves. Along with that, I want them to, increase slight blur on the control center. That will be amazing. I also want them to improve the low power mode, because when I put my device on low power mode, performance really drops and phone started to lag. That is really bad. Also, there are few things that they confirm. They confirm that there will be a better battery life, better smooth animations, and also they are going to bring more elements of liquid glass to more different stuff. So yes, I am pretty excited to give hands on to this update. I'm just waiting to install this update, and after that I will be it's gonna take couple of minutes. I mean, it's taking nine minutes. So let's see how much time it is gonna take. Tomorrow I will be coming up with another video. Maybe I'm gonna come up with a real world test where I will showing you how the day went with this device. So make sure to subscribe the channel for that video, because in those videos we test out the battery life and performance. I also share Geekbench score with you. So my ultimate plan for now is I'm going to compare beta 2 with the beta 1, and once I've done everything, compare is done, I'm going to install the beta 2 on this too, and I'm going to share the experience for this device too. So yeah, so far this was just how to install kind of a video to guide you guys that iOS 26 beta 2 is out. If you want to install it, a video with a full of features that is coming right after this video very soon. So yeah, see you after that. Peace out.